You know, I'm really happy about this day. I can finally be happy without worrying about shitting myself. You know, I've been really tired of shitting myself. While I'm sleeping, I keep shitting myself. It's really disgusting. It's straight us apart. It's really unfortunate. Because, I love you. And I want to start a family. It's gonna be beautiful. We'll have two little puppies. And your little baby boy. And just got tearing up there. I'm sorry. And surgery's gonna make us so much more happier. I'm saying. I heard he's the best in the world. He's the best in the state of Georgia. He's gonna make me better. So we can be happy. Okay. Are you excited? I am. Finally be happy. Oh.
Hey, hello, I'm your doctor. Hello.
You're my doctor?
Hello, yes, I'm
I
your
don't
doctor.
feel so good, doc.
I'm here about gender reincitement surgery, yes?
Wait, what?
Yes, I'm here about to make your penis into a vagina, yes?
I'm here because I have the shit.
Okay. Okay. How about you lay down and I'll put you under and I'll snip your penis off, okay?
I don't know if I want you
By
to
the way, you have a lovely wife. You have a lovely, lovely wife.
Oh, thank you. That's Deborah. She's really beautiful.
Make sure. Hey, can I get a number? Can I have her number after this?
You can give her a little smooch. Just one. Just a little peck.
Really? Oh.
Okay, stop. I said one.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know numbers. Yes. Okay. I'm here to cut your penis off.
You're kind of scaring
Do you
me.
want to be asleep or do you want to be awake?
Asleep so you can fix my shits? Okay.
No.
I'll stay awake.
Gender reassignment. I'm here about. This is room.
Well, let's stop me.
This
from
is room
pooping so much.
303, right? This is room 303.
Yeah. Will it stop me from pooping so much?
I don't know about that. I just got orders to give you gender reassignment surgery.
Well, if it'll stop me from pooping so much, I guess you can.
I don't. Okay. Let me wash my hands first. Washy. I'm washing my hands.
I don't know about this, Deborah.
Washy.
I don't trust this man.
There's no paper towels here. There's no paper towels. I don't.
They're in the cupboard.
There's no handles on the cupboards. That's okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, sure. Just make it quick.
Okay, snip.
Oh,
that's a bleeder. Oh, that's a bleeder right there.
Oh my god! It hurts so much! Look what you did!
Alright, give me that. What the fuck is wrong with give me that? You
Don't! What are you doing?
Wait, it's mine now, bitch.
That's disgusting! Oh my god, Deborah, call the fucking police!
And that's how we
Oh my
do it,
God!
boys.